49 Great Western Railway service to Penzance. Calling at Tiverton Parkway, Exeter St David's, Newton Abbot, Totnes, Ivy Bridge, Plymouth, Liscard, Bodmin Parkway, Palm, St Austell, Truro, Redruth, Cambourne, St Earth and Penzance. This train has 9 coaches. Food and drink is available on the train. First class accommodation can be found in zones 3 and 2. Standard class in zones 10 to 4. Cycle spaces in zones 9 and 4. Wheelchair facilities in zones 10 and 2. Platform 3 for the 1649 Great Western Railway service to Penzance.